Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this rotating video clip on CapCut PC. So select your video and add a keyframe at the beginning of all of your photos. Sorry, it's like photos. Well, you can also do it with videos, but I'm choosing to do it with photos. Once you've added a keyframe to all the beginning, you're going to add one at the end, and you're kind of going to want to scale it a little bit, and you're going to rotate it either 3 or 4 degrees like that, and you're just going to do that to all of your clips again, scaling it just a little bit and rotating it 4 degrees again here on this clip. Okay, this needs to, actually I'll just delete this because it's not square. And then at the end again, you're going to want to scale it a little bit and rotate it 4 degrees. Then you're just going to right click, show keyframe animation, and then on the rotation part here, you're going to select the second keyframe, add in a graph. You can use ease in or ease out. I'm just going to go with let's go with ease in 1. You can select anything. I'm just going to select ease in 1, and you're going to do that for all of your graphs. Actually, I might use ease out 3 because I did not select everything here for some reasons. So just select the keyframe here, and then show keyframe animation, and then select the ease out 3 one, making sure you've selected every keyframe. So I'll just, whoops, sorry. I'll just change the graphs. Let me put none on that one. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!